sorry. Circle foot. And plie. Hand circle from left side. Pull the ball aside. And up. Shoulder circle, relax. One more. Left side foot circle. And plie. Head circle from right side. Pull the ball aside. And up. Shoulder reverse circle. Open, up, forwards. Again. Right side foot, tongue to front. First. Plie. Two tongue to back. Again. Two tongue to side. Turn out, relax. Plie. Other side. Again. Two tongue to back. Hello. And plie. Two tongue to side. And plie. Shoulder circle. Turn in, turn out, sorry. Okay, almost full. Make me mess up. Okay. Tongue to back. Slide down all the way. Let it go. And up. Plie. Left side tongue to. Slide down all the way. Stay. Hold. And up. Plie. Really way up. One arm up. Another arm up. And open arm, plie. Finish.